Hello, Traceable Designers. Before you begin your window accent overlay project, simply hold your TraceShaper form up to your window, and this will help plan your design. You can position and adjust the form to visualize the finished depth, shape, and proportions. Make sure that any raised areas still provide enough coverage over the window behind. Always use a clean, stable mounting surface, and you want to make sure when you measure that you measure completely around the entire distance from the wall across any headrail or across any frame. Make sure you give yourself some extra inches. Also, for the direct to wall, give yourself some extra width, and if you are using the optional rod pocket, make sure you account for the rod returns. For extra wide windows, use a solid fabric, an all-over print, or one that can be turned sideways. If you have exposed hardware and you can wrap the overlay and fasten behind, that's great. Otherwise, use the flat front hanging surface. If your shade includes a removable fabric fascia, simply remove it and use the existing hook and loop tape attachment to position your window overlay directly to the headrail. When selecting fabric, a medium weight drapery fabric is an excellent choice as long as you have a flat surface. You can use a heavier weight drapery fabric, which provides excellent body. For lighter weight drapery fabric, make sure to add a heavier lining to add the crisp shape and better body. Don't use anything that includes any stretch. Also, for wider windows, an all-over print or a print that can be turned sideways is a great choice. When working with a fabric motif, think about how the design will fall within your selected TraceShaper shape. Large motifs can easily be cut off, so look for a design that fits cleanly within the finished shape of your selected window accent for a clean, professional look. When sizing your fabric, make sure you use a folded piece of fabric and do the half distance or the half width, adding plenty of excess on the outside. If you're positioning over a motif, make sure that you adjust for that and give yourself plenty of room below and above. And remember, if you're doing a rod pocket, you're going to need at least 5 inches above your design form. Once everything is in position, go ahead and cut your fabric section to size using the folded fabric section, and then you will be ready to move on to the Prepare and Shape Your Fabric video. Beyond the Valance is powered by TraceFit, a patented slide and trace system for making custom window coverings with ease.